Hello again, y'all. Welcome to another week here at Ball High. This week's pretty simple. It's almost an exact repeat of last week. The only difference is y'all have this is your last week to turn in your album cover project. Okay. Now remember, there will be one other major grade, and after this week, at Friday at the end of this week, we're down to 5 weeks left. And remember, 2 of those are testing weeks, so you have 3 weeks left of in-class assignments. So we'll have one more major grade and probably 4 or 5 more daily grades, and that's it, y'all. We're done, and you're final. So this week we did these reflective drawings last week. This week, though, we have an ant. We should have a dragonfly, and we should have, let me guess, beetle number 2. Okay, those are the 3 drawings you're going to do, and you can find those like you always can in Canvas. Right here we have. This is more of the information if you still don't know what you're doing with the album cover, which you should be a pretty good ways on that by now. Here's the ant reflective drawing, the page you can look at. Here's the dragonfly page you can look at, and here's the beetle number 2 that you can look at. Here are the 3 places where you turn them in, and this is here where you turn in your project in. Not a really lot, guys. Like I said, we will have one more project that we're going to work on, and then after that, just a couple daily assignments, because after these 3 are turned in, you'll have 6 daily assignments and 1 major grade. So we are over halfway there. We have 1 more major grade, and I just need 4 more daily grades, and then that's all we have to have for this 6 weeks. So I'm going to try and get that knocked out probably a week, 2 weeks before, or the week before finals. So that week of finals, it'll be just you can make up work, and we'll do some other things, but there won't be any assignments due after that, unless you're still trying to turn in late assignments. So y'all, please get these things turned in. Once again, I sent out those forms on anyone who is interested in trying to gain credit for this course. If you have not filled those out or sent those in, please do so. Just because if there's any way we can get you passing for this semester, I would love to do that. But anyway, y'all have a great week. And like I said, after we're done with this week, we're down to 5 weeks. And only 3 of those are actual teaching weeks or actual instructional weeks, because 2 of those are testing weeks, finals and STAR testing. So I hope you guys have a great week. If you watch this before the, what day would this be? The 19th. I'm not here the 19th. I'll still be gone, but I'll be back on Tuesday the 20th. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.